Hi, right from YouTube, and yeah, I was playing Call of Duty Warzone, the newest Call of Duty for the PlayStation 4, and I was playing when suddenly an error code appeared that is called the CE-34878-0. So when I got that error code in my PlayStation 4 during the match, so I got removed from the match and also removed from the game. So according to Activision support.com, it says that this error is a general error indicating that the game you are currently playing has crashed. So if you still get that error, you will need to restart the game. So it says that if you continue to receive that error, it's an indication that something else is wrong and you should check to ensure that your PS4 system software and the game you are playing are both up to date. It recommends that you should go and check for an update in the game, going to the options. When you are in the menu, you are in the game, you click options and then select check for update. Also, it has a recommendation of a possible software update in the case of the PlayStation 4 and then reboot. Also, it says that if you are still receiving that error, it has some suggestions like if the PlayStation camera, if you have a PlayStation camera, is connected to the system, remove it and reboot the system, then turn off enable face recognition. From the PlayStation 4 home screen, select settings, then select user. After that, select login settings, and finally uncheck enable face recognition. Another suggestion is that if you have upgraded the hard disk drive, the HDD in your console, please reinstall the original HDD. And finally, if the error occurs again, back up your saved data and then from the PlayStation 4 home screen, select settings, then select initialization and finally select initialize PS4. So that will be all the suggestions given by Activision for the error code CE-34878-0 that I got in a match of Call of Duty Warzone in PlayStation 4. So this will be all, guys. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one.